Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to improve photo quality on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Go to the camera and to improve the quality, click here on the 12M and it will change automatically to 50M, and this means that it will take pictures in 50 megapixels, so it's the highest available resolution. Now when I take that picture, it looks like this, and you can see that it's taken in the highest quality available. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.